The Flood. Our source and the location of our quote. The Appalachian tribe in Florida is a relic of a more ancient nation than the North American Indian tribes. They relate that the Lake Thiomi burst its bounds and overflowed the earth and stood above the top of the highest mountains, saving only the peak Oldami, on which stood a temple to the sun. Those men who had succeeded in reaching this temple were saved, but all the rest of mankind perished. Baring-Gould, Sabine. Legends of Old Testament Characters. London and New York, Macmillan & Co., 1871, page 104.